So I want to thank all our YouTube viewers and subscribers because of your interest in what we're building here. We're building quality, innovative, affordable manufactured homes. We've had a torrent of people contacting us. So because of that, I have to have everybody get an email. I call it my informational email. It's very extensive. It tells you who we are, what the process is, and what we're all about, what we're selling. We're selling manufactured homes, not trailers, not mobile homes. It's a construction standard that what we're building closer to a modular home than the mobile homes of bygone era, which are more like RVs. So you'll get my informational email. If you're interested, if you read what you like, you want to contact me back again through email, then I will send you 15 pre-qualifying questions, and those questions will help us determine whether we're a good fit, whether you're good for this community, and whether we're making the right home that would be perfect for you. And pretty much I tell people you're buying three things. One is the house, two is the financing if you need it, and three is a relationship with us as the landlords. So the third step after getting the 15 pre-qualifying questions is coming in, viewing the houses if they're available, and this house is available to tour for those who answer the 15 pre-qualifying questions. Then you would fill out the resident application. That resident application is $40 per adult for us to do a criminal and a credit check. And that way you're approved. And once you're approved, you're welcome to purchase any house that's available or being built. So the fourth step is, once you've done all that and you've been approved as a resident, then I would send you, at your request if you need it, 3 finance companies who offer loans in New Jersey for a manufactured home in a land lease community. So those 3 criteria are the people that I'm going to be giving to you, the companies. And I want to be honest with you, we receive no financial benefit from giving these companies out as a resource. We really offer it just as a courtesy to our home buyers. And the reason is many people go to their banks or their credit unions and they aren't able to get a loan for a house, a manufactured house, in a land lease community. So these 3 companies provide exactly that, and they know the quality of a Dolan home and a Dolan community. So many times they give our loans, our residents loans when maybe they're on the border, because they know that the risk for them is less because they're going to be living in one of our communities. And you know what? That makes us feel really, really proud to be part of the process and help people get loans. So then after that, what is it? You get your resident application, you do your financing, and then we work up a purchase agreement. It's a very simple closing. It's not like your real estate closing. No attorneys, no real estate, no taxes, no points. It's a simple contract. You own the house, we own the land. Anything you do on the outside of the house, you have to put it in writing. It's in the lease, and I'd be providing the lease if anyone wants it. So you know all the rules and regulations that are necessary for living here in one of our communities. Pretty much it's just being thoughtful. That's what's in the lease. And I think that's about it. So the first step is email me. So email me at info@dolanhomes.com, and I'll tell you in writing more about this house. Thanks for stopping in.